Your trading fees are refunded daily. You'll see it's returned each day, totaled at day's end, and refunded the next day. This video shows how to register on KuCoin for 60% fee rebates. I'll intro a system for fee rebates on exchanges like Gate, BitGet, Minute, XM, XNet, Binance, MSC, Bybit, and OK. KuCoin sign-up and fee rebate system links are in the video description and comments. Scroll down to check. Click the guide, read it, and for support, find Facebook and Telegram links. The referral code is KDB. You can click Get Cut Part Now or the link in the description. The refer code is automatically recorded. Now, enter your email or phone number, then click Create Account. Choose I'm not a robot, and that's it. Check your email for the verification code. Copy and paste it here, then click Submit. Now set your password. For example, hello 12,345 Make sure it meets all requirements, then click Confirm. Great, you've created your KuCoin account. Now verify it to enable deposits and trading, plus get an $8,200 bonus. Click Verify Now, then OK. Select your country and choose an ID like a driver's license or ID card. Skies, hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.